I think we'll have to wind up, my dear, because it's already Adhan time, right? Or it's a very short one.
Uh, okay. A short question. How do we know um if this is the time for jihad fighting or not?
It is the time for jihad, of course. But what is jihad? Is it jihad? Does it only mean fighting in the battlefield with the, and you give your life? That is qital. Whether it's time for qital or not, that Allahu alam, that Allah knows. But if you're speaking of jihad, jihad comes from the root word jahada, which means to struggle and to strive. Of course, every day it's a struggle and a striving for us. As Muslims, we have to strive to be better. We have to strive to understand the Quran. We have to strive to teach our children. We have to strive for everything. That is also a struggle. And now what we are doing is also a social media war. The Zionists are encroaching upon our children. Okay, that is another battlefield in Palestine. What is happening? You think you and I are left? You think they are leaving us and our children? LGBTQ is another warfare, right? Lesbianism, homosexuality, that is another battlefield we are into. They are encroaching upon the minds and the hearts of our children, and they want to imprint their philosophies. So it's a struggle. We have to protect our children from that. We have to take care of our children from that. It is a battlefield, my dear sisters. Although it's not the physical battlefield, but we are into a battlefield. This was a social media war that we won, and we are winning, and inshallah, we will win because of the voices that we have raised, because of the likes and the sharing that we have done. And we are constantly speaking about it. So, my dear sister, jihad, it definitely, we have to do jahada. But qital, if you're asking about entering into the battlefield, if you're asking about, going for a war, literally like, giving your lives, Allahu alam, that Allah knows best, which is the right time, who and how and who will be the leader and how we are going to do that. We only pray to Allah that, may Allah give us honorable deaths and maybe attain martyrdom in the true sense of the term, and may Allah be pleased with us and we be pleased with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But when Allah told us in the Quran in Surah Anfal chapter number 60, you prepare, you gather the power. That is what we have to concentrate on right now, my dear sisters. Let us be the best version of ourselves, inshallah. The rest, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will take care of. And we keep praying to Allah, use us, Allah, for your cause. Use us and our families and our generations and our communities for the cause of spread of the deen, for the cause of Islam. So, hope that helps, inshallah, inshallah. وَقُولُوا قَوْلِي هَذَا إِنَّهُ وَاسْتَغْفِرُ اللَّهَ لِي وَلَكُمْ إِنَّهُ غَفُورٌ رَحِيمٌ. Jazakumullahu khairan to all the sisters for giving me all the time, and may Allah protect you all and bless you all, and may Allah ease the suffering of the Palestinians, and may Allah accept the martyrs, and may Allah bring, strongest, may Allah take the enemies to task, and may Allah crush them, and may Allah finish them, and may Allah take them to task, because He is the one who takes them to task. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen. Over to Sister Liana. Jazakumullahu khairan kasiran kasira. Assalamu alaikum.
Amin, amin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Also, one more thing, Sister Liana, before sorry to interrupt, is that I have also started posting on Instagram. So you can visit and you can follow me on Instagram. I'll share that link as well, inshallah. Jazakallah khair.
Okay, noted, Ustazah.
Ji.
Masya Allah, subhanallah. Jazakillah khairan, Ustazah Farhat Naik, for the much uplifting talk on the Palestinian issue. Once again, it's true. We must have yaqeen of our victory and do what we can in this war, digital war. Strategize our attack and power, which means that we must be intelligent, moving our pieces on our chessboards. But even when we are not able to strategize, we have a role to play. Even as a small pawn, we can spread our influence. Look at how the enemy is afraid when they try to shut even little voices on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other applications. So never stop speaking up online and offline. We make our voices heard not just by the tapping of the keyboard, not just by speaking through the screen, but what is most important is to make dua to Allah. Allah hears our every one of our duas. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with tremendous awards and accept our little efforts in this pursuit of justice, in this jihad that we are doing for the Palestinians and for all our oppressed brothers and sisters all over the world. So to conclude the session for today, thank you again for everyone to thank you again for everyone and attending these sessions. Again, do not stop talking about Palestine. Make our voices heard. Subhanaka Allahu wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa hu anta. Nastaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.